Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this look using minimal products, and I'm going to use only 6 products to create this look, and you can get this done under 5 minutes. And this is kind of everyday makeup and you can wear this for college. Yeah, I hope you would love watching this video, and if you want to know how do I create this look, then keep on watching this video. So first I'm gonna wash my face really well. I've already done it, and then I'm gonna use this Gulabri Rose Glow face cleanser. I'm gonna use this. It's good if you use this kind of bottle, which is the spray one. So I'm gonna spray this all over my face. And then I'm gonna use this cotton pad and clean it really well. And then I'm gonna use this lip balm from the brand Purple, and it's Alfonso Mango, and this costed me around 115. It's under 150. I'm gonna apply this on my lip. And then I'm gonna apply this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. I'm gonna take a little amount of this and gonna apply on my face really well. This is a good cream under budget. It costed me around 225, and it smells really good. And this cream is not even oily or greasy. It's lightweight and it really absorbs on your skin good. So as I said you before, this is kind of everyday makeup for beginners. So I'm not gonna use any foundation or BB cream. Rather, I'm gonna use this talcum powder from Yardley. You can use any talcum powder. It's really good for for baking. And I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna apply this mascara. It's from Blue Heaven. And I'm gonna apply this mascara generous coat. Dust this powder and just gonna apply all over my face. And then the last thing is this lip color from Blue Heaven. So yeah, I've applied this lip color and it's look really good. It's kind of nude color. And this is the makeup I love to create every single day. And you can also create this look if you are a beginner. You can also use these products if you are makeup beginner, and I love creating this look. It just takes 5 minutes and you can create this look under 5 minutes. It's really good, and it doesn't really look cakey after several hours, so it's really good. If you like this video, then do like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'll meet you super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.